Busy days we have spent with our crayons and pencils, drawing objects, counting numbers, learning our ABC. We can write our name, spell it out loud and free. We can sing some of home to our baby.
Ang ginagawa mo? O, dito ang kamay. O, sway. O,
Dearest Mama and Papa, we love you sincerely. We are happiest.
asa kamay mo? Ay, walang start. Puro si teacher. Uy!
On graduation day,
Sway.
Tinatry yung bang.
Kamay.
Mama and Papa, we love you sincerely.
Alam yung kanta.
In our Baker Center, we are happiest can be as we bid for goodbye to our dear
Hey, no!
teachers now. Our diploma on hand on graduation day.
Lagay ang kamay sa likod.
Our diploma on hand on graduation day.
Lagay ang isang paa sa likod and then bow.
Tinatry niya.